To find rational functions with their excluded values, we just make the denominator equal to 0 and whatever we get for x. So in this case, x equals 0, and that's our excluded value, so we write doesn't equal. We don't want 0 as our denominator. So we look over here, I have x plus 1, so I want to know what numbers will make that 0. When I solve this, I will get x equals a negative 1 after I subtract the 1. So x can't equal a negative 1. Basically, what numbers will make this whole part equal to 0, and that number cannot be our value. So negative 1 makes this 0, so it's called an excluded value. So here's the answer for this one, here's the answer for this one. When we're looking at a whole equation, I want to make 4x minus 8 equals 0 and solve. So I add 8 to both sides, and I get 8, and then I divide by 4, x equals 2. So if I put 2 in there, that makes this whole equation equal 0, so x cannot be 2. So the excluded value is x does not equal 2.